Hello, I'm Rich Wagner, CEO and founder of Prevedere, and I have seen some of you before as we've been around for the past few years helping companies with our solution. I like this slide and like to start with it because it's really relevant to supply chain. You guys are in a unique position to help your company understand really what's going to happen next and to help shape that, right? Because every decision within a company, whether you're a supply planner, demand planner, operations, or CEO and CFO, is based on your vision of the future. And if you get it right, there's a lot of reward, but if you get it wrong, everything underneath that becomes like a snowball effect, right? We order too much inventory, we price incorrectly, go into the wrong markets at the wrong time. So you're in a unique position to help the company make better, smarter, forward-looking decisions. A little about us, I mentioned, or he mentioned the name was Prevedere, which means to forecast or to foresee. We do that by combining the world's data with your internal historical data from your current systems, leveraging machine learning and predictive analytics like you heard a lot of here. We're backed by companies like Norwest Venture Partners, Microsoft, thought leaders across industry groups. So we may see you at some of those conferences. The customers we work with are typically multi-billion-dollar global companies, all the way down to several hundred million. What we do is help them understand really what drives the demand for their products and services in the markets where they do business. And why we do this, how it started, I came out of a Fortune 500 global manufacturing conglomerate company and realized that no matter what we did internally or what we thought internally, really changes in demand for our products and services were actually the results of external factors, things we weren't analyzing, consumer behavior, purchase intent, economic conditions, weather data, all those things, industry trends we could collect. It's really what drives demand for your products and services. And what I also realized, nearly 80% of companies lack an automated, systematic, and repeatable way to collect and analyze that data. So we built a solution that works on really what will happen. So we leverage cognitive computing. That's industry expertise we've learned from our dozens of customers, economists that we work with and our data scientists, global data that's becoming more readily available with advanced predictive modeling, and put that right back into your planning tools, right? So there's no rip and replace of the system. But the other thing we know is the world is changing faster than ever before, as mentioned earlier. And what you need is a system that can quickly analyze that, alert you if something's coming that's going to affect change in your environment. And that's what we built with an engine we called Aaron, which is external real-time insights. Our results, what we see is top quartile on a lot of our customers in manufacturing, CPG, retail, 85% for major categories and products. We can take it with cognitive computing and predictive modeling, 95+%. And that's across industry, but what we're trying to do is find exactly for your business, your products, what are those leading drivers, when are they going to affect you and by how much, and create that unique combination. Because no customer is exactly the same in either the products or the markets where they do business. And we do that to increase profitability, increase opportunity, reduce excess inventory. Even a billion-dollar company with just a 1% improvement in forecast accuracy can see in excess and obsolete about $7 million in opportunity and cost savings. The worst is, of course, if you have stockout situation. Our technology combines global data, cloud computing, machine learning together, but we've built it so we can integrate with your internal, hand that off to demand planners, so the supply, the production, distribution, all the way up to the executives have a better picture of their future. As I mentioned, we integrate with all systems, SAP, APO, JDE, Aspen, Demantra, and we've seen things in a large beverage manufacturer, for example, reduce excess inventory and safety stock by $27 million in North America alone. So that's what we do, and then we're here to talk to you afterwards if you had any questions. So thank you.